Hi everyone! So once again I was attempting to do my update for my Project Pan, but I was sitting here doing my makeup, looking outside the window, and I saw the mailman pull up and drop off not only my Boxycharm but also my Birchbox. So, you know, I can't resist opening these, so I am going to unbox my Boxycharm first. I'm not exactly sure what's in here. I think I have an idea, but I've been seeing some videos where people are getting like things from like a previous box, but I guess they cleared that up and they will be giving anyone who got an old product something new in the next month, or like an extra item. So instead of 5 items, they'll get like 6 next month. I did look at a sneak peek and it was a little confusing because it told me I was getting one color of the Kat Von D lipstick, but then when I looked at the image that came up for that, it was a different color. I don't know. I'm probably sounding really confusing right now, but point is, I'm not exactly sure what is in my October Boxycharm. So I am gonna get unboxing. While I open this, I'll let you know if somehow you're out of the loop and have not heard of Boxycharm. It is a beauty box. It costs $21 per month, and you get about 5 items, full-size items every month, and it is super awesome. So when you open it, it looks like this. This is by far like my favorite beauty box. I just think you get such a good deal. Like, you get at least $100 in value, and like I said, it's full-size products, super awesome, good brands typically. So you get a little fold out, and it says I have variant 1. I almost always get 2. So I was wondering that. I was like, do you always get the same number? But I guess I have 1. And I had to peek. So I think I got what I wanted. We'll see about the color of the lipstick. So inside you see all of this, which is everything that is inside and the pricing and everything like that. And the theme this month is Alter Ego. So I'm just gonna set this right here to the side and show you what's in here. The first thing I see is by It Cosmetics, and this is their Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So I've heard really good things about it, and if you look here on the packaging, it claims that 96% of people saw their lashes look stretched, volume and length. 100% saw a fuller lash line. So, I mean, if that, like, look at that picture there, that looks pretty awesome before and after. I don't know if that could happen to me. My eyelashes don't even look that good after I get extensions, but I'm not sure if I'll keep this yet. I have to decide if I want to keep doing lash extensions. If I keep doing lash extensions, I don't really need a lot of mascaras. I already have several mascaras in my giveaway, which, by the way, I left the link below in the description box. If you have not yet entered, I have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway that ends at the end of this month, so you can click down there and enter if you have not already. And this possibly might be in that giveaway. There's a few mascaras in there already. The next thing I see, oh good, I got the color I wanted, is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And I got it in the color Lovesick, and this looks like a pink color, looks like something I like. So it told me I was getting this color, because you could do like a sneak peek if you want. Like, you get an email, like 2 weeks ago maybe I got that. So I did, I clicked the sneak peek because I can't resist, and it told you your color. So mine told me Lovesick, but then when I could share that, like you could share on like Twitter or Facebook or whatever, like, oh, look what I'm getting in my Boxycharm, like, you know, something like that. And it showed the color Vampira or something like that. It was really like a vampy dark color, which doesn't really work on my skin tone, so I was really hoping that was not correct. So, so this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a mauve-y pink. I must admit I'm not really a fan of the company right now, but I have tried a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D before and I really liked it. Ooh, and I think I'll like this. Look at that color. That's definitely more me than like a vampy dark red. And it's so smooth. I really like that. So I'm excited I got the color I wanted. The next thing I see is by Pharmacy, and this is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And it said it was made exclusively for Boxycharm. So I just got a cleansing balm from in my Lola box. I haven't tried it yet, but I've heard really good things about this, so I am going to keep this. I want to get better about washing my makeup off at night. I totally just use makeup wipes usually, like pretty much always, unless I shower at night. So I'm excited to give this a go. So when you open it, it looks green like that. That's cool. So I'm really glad I got this. I feel like some people, it seemed like they didn't get full-size items in their Boxycharms. I saw like, it was like the Briogeo spray, which I think is a great brand for hair care. And then they got like a Hava hand cream, which I really like. I have the full size I got in like Past FabFitFun, I believe. And I have it by my downstairs sink. Like I have hand creams like by every sink, everywhere, like on my desk here. So I wouldn't have been mad with that, but it wasn't the full size, and you know, they say you get full size items here, so I think some people were a little disappointed. But anyways, moving on. The next thing I see is the Dermovia Lace Appeal on the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I'm super excited to try this. Before I got this box, I was planning on kind of just doing an unboxing and trying everything, but I was putting on my makeup when this arrived, and you know, I couldn't wait. So I'll probably try this on and do it on Instagram, so if you want to follow me there, I always leave my social media links below. I will let you know how this is. I've seen some other videos. It looks really cool if you haven't seen it. It's like you put the mask on, and then you put this lace cover up over, and it like hooks on your ears. It looks really cool, and it seems like it works. Some people are like, oh, it kind of hurts, but like I kind of like that, like extracting my gross pores and everything. Like I'm pumped to try it. So I know there's 2 masks in here, so I'm excited to try that. And then last but not least is the Pure and Boxycharm palette, which I'm excited to try. Let me just toss it over there. So it comes nicely wrapped. This is what the outer packaging looks like. So this is a face palette, so there's eyeshadows and there's some blushes and highlighters, and I know just from what I've seen online and in other videos, a lot of these colors won't work on my face, but I think I'll be able to incorporate them into eye looks. So I'm really excited about that. I might add stuff to my look right now, because right now it's earlier in the day, it's Friday, and you know, I like to intensify my eye looks usually at nighttime, but we'll see. So I might play with this a little bit after this video. I'm sorry I'm not trying things on camera, but I already did my makeup. I just did not want to really take everything off, you know. So let me take off this. Oh, it's like pretty much a, yeah, they package this really well. Pretty. I couldn't really tell the green on camera when I was looking at other videos. I think you could see in my viewfinder kind of well, but like, I think these are like really pretty. See what I mean though? Like this is way too dark of a blush for me, but it'd be a nice eye color. So there's a little mirror, like you can see that. I think this is super cute. So there's 1 matte shade and 5 shimmers, and I am really excited to try these. Here, I will swatch a couple of the colors. I really want to swatch this green color called Mask Off. Ooh, that was just one little swipe. Okay, now I'll do Disguise. Okay, that one's a little chalky, you know how sometimes yours could be, but that definitely blends out well. Now let's do the blue, the Showtime. Look at that. Yeah, these are great. Now I just want to do all of them. That's like the silver color, that'll be fun. Yeah. I'm liking this. Awesome. I really like Pure highlighters, and I have some eyeshadows from their Sweet 16. I can like link that above. I did a little unboxing of that a while ago. I really should look into that again. I really liked that palette. It was really cool. But yeah, love the packaging. I think these are super pretty. Like just one little swatch, and look at that green. Oh my gosh, it's like a goldish green. Like I feel like the camera doesn't really capture as well. I guess it's not really that green. It's, I don't know. Sometimes I get confused with my colors. It's like an olive green kind of. But yeah, super excited to play with this. So overall, I'm happy with it. Where did I put all my stuff? Okay, so you can see that lip swatch is in there too. I'm really excited to wear this color. You'll probably see me wearing this in my next video. I'm gonna unbox my Birchbox later today, and I'm probably gonna play with some of this makeup before then. Super excited to use something by Pharmacy. Good brand, I've heard about it. I'm pretty sure I've used stuff by them before. The mascara I've heard great things about. Honestly, probably one of you will end up with it. But and the mask, again, follow me on Instagram. It'll be in my stories soon. Probably this weekend, not tonight, but maybe like Saturday or Sunday. So, well, tonight's Friday. I'm not posting this till Saturday, so maybe tonight. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry if you care at all about my project pan. I've only done 1 video on it. Like, I thought it'd be way more exciting than it is. I mean, it's fun, but like, you know, subscription boxes are definitely more of my passion. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a great weekend. Bye.